The next step in the process, which is linking geometry to the schedule activities. And so I'm going to select one of the models here. When you're working in Slate, you can choose to select just one model, or you might want to select multiple models at a time to show an assembly. In this case, I only need to show one, but based on how your models are set up, you can have multiple select in here. So I'm just going to keep that one selected here, and I'm going to go to progress. So now I've entered the main screen within this tool, within Slate Progress. And what you see is a model viewer here on the right-hand side of the screen, and you see all of your schedule activities on the left. So I'll give you a little bit of a walkthrough and an orientation of the different parts of this viewer. On the right here is our main panel, and this is where you'll do a lot of the interaction with the model and with the schedule. From the top, we have an info icon. So as you start to select geometry, you can select this icon. And you'll start to see information about the activities you have selected and the geometry that you're linking to. We have the ability to view the model in 2D or in 3D. I'm going to keep it in 3D. And then we have these filters here, which are really helpful, and we've designed to make this experience as user-friendly as possible. When we design this product, we're really thinking about people who aren't BIM experts or VDC engineers. We're thinking about people in the field who maybe don't have as much experience using BIM tools, but need a tool in order to track progress and want to do so with a really precise method, being using the BIM geometry. So these filters really help to enable that. We have the ability to do things like isolate different levels, like I'm showing you here. So if I click any of the square icons here, that will isolate the building. And I can also do things like click lock here, which makes the whole building transparent. And if I have something unlocked, I can still select that, but whatever is locked is not selectable, but I can still see it in a transparency mode. And then I also have this eye icon that I can use to hide parts of the building and the levels. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just isolate level 1. And so now I'm seeing everything on level 1. I can zoom in, I can pan, and I can rotate around the model like most people are probably used to who have ever navigated 3D geometry or 3D space.